If sin theta is equal to 5 by 13, then the value of tan theta is given sin theta is equal to 5 by 13 is equal to sin theta is equal to vertical side by hypotenuse. Vertical side, that is 5k, hypotenuse 13k, where k is any positive number. Let angle A is equal to theta. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC, that is 13k whole square, AB square plus BC 5k whole square. 13k whole square, 169k square is equal to AB square plus 5k whole square, that is 25k square. AB square is equal to 169k square minus 25k square. AB square is equal to 169k square minus 25k square, that is 144k square. AB is equal to root of 144k square. AB is equal to 12k. AB is equal to 12k, that is base 12k. Tan theta is equal to vertical side by base. Vertical side, that is 5k divided by base 12k. Tan theta is equal to 5 by 12.